Hello and welcome. I'm going to be unboxing some spoon bushings that I just got, overnight parts from Japan. Now, I took the liberty to just cut this open. I have not seen the insides yet, so I'm going to be as surprised as you will. I did block this out so you creeps don't get any funny ideas knowing where I live. Anyways, there goes nothing. So, this one from FedEx like this. Very nice, very nice. This one. Ooh. Okay, box is empty. Right hand drive Japan. Very nice. Thank you letter. Okay, so start with the first item. Some JDM mail right here. Okay, and they come like this. This is how they come from Spoon. I will have the links to these in the description and in the title, so you can look this up pretty easily. Here's Spoon Sports. Hardened rubber bushings for the Honda S2000. Okay, this is for the suspension. So the outside is metal, inside is obviously hardened rubber, and the inside of that is also metal.
Oh my god! Wow!
Feels nice, feels rigid. We also have this item. Might need my knife. Let's take this out of the way. And this is it. Okay, very nice. So let me just describe this versus the OEM one. I am gonna have to cut this box open. Oh, it smells like JDM goodness. It smells like initial D. Okay, so this is the compliance bushing. Okay, the OEM one has two gaps in here. This rubber feels very nice, very premium actually.
I like this.
Not. So this is going to have a bit more of a rigid feel. Inside is metal, as I said, and yeah, so far pretty excited to install these on the car. This is for the damper. The lower, the connection of the damper to the lower arm. This is for the front and back, and this, of course, is also for the lower arm, the bushing for the lower arm. And yeah, thank you. Hopefully, in the next video, I'll have the other set of the bushing that's still coming from Japan, and I will be doing the installation. Anyway, stay tuned and thank you.